All right, let's take Oluwo. Go ahead, Oluwo.
Hi everybody. My
Hey,
name is
bro.
Wale.
Okay, what?
I did a training with Skillweed. That was back in November, I think, 2023. But I kept applying. I've been in IT for a while, though not really like so deep. So I got on interviews. I watched their interviews too. I got on. And then I got a job with the government as an information assurance, level three, where I impressed in the interviews with a lot of more technical questions. And from that part, they put me in level three. I was like, oh, okay. So I got into incident response, precisely where I work with the SOC. And it was very hot. I work with the blue team, the purple team, the red team. And fast forward to being on 1 year, even before 1 year, I became a lead um, analyst at the SOC. And then when I told them in December that, oh, I didn't go out all through the year for a leave and I want to take a leave, they had a meeting. And she had to talk to me that, oh, we don't need you to. Yeah, I know you need all these days, but you are the best hand we got. You have to just stay because you can work all events. So it's not like you know it all. I'm always on the program every time, free, not free. I try to join just because continuous learning, it's everything. And while we're in the group, I have like two friends that I never met in person. We're in the group, we studied together. I did referral for them with my company. Canada, they called me, oh, this person, how good are they technically? Boom, she got a job. So and we all met on Skillweed, so we keep
Love it.
networking with each other.
Love it.
Yeah.
Love it. Thank you so much, brother. I mean, ooh, you all, thank you so much, bro. And man, ugh, and I'm just short of words.